To insert an architectural floor plan image that's a CAD file or a DWG file, locate the CAD file by selecting the Insert menu and click CAD Drawing. Then double-click the file or click Open, and a CAD Properties window opens. If you know the CAD scale, you can set it here. Then uncheck Lock Size and Position and uncheck Lock Against Deletion, and then click OK. Now it may be a little small, so let's change the page scale, which is on the Floor Plan tab, right-click, Page Setup, and Drawing Scale. We can change that to 3/8. Click OK. And that looks a little better. Notice the weird colors. So let's change that. Just double-click the image, go to Layer. With a CAD file, we can often change the visibility and colors of certain CAD layers. So let's choose not to see the yellow and the red CAD layers. And let's change the other layers to gray. And then click OK. Now that looks a lot better. Now let's lock this image down so we can drop floor plan symbols and not move the architectural image. But first, let's get rid of the borderline that usually occurs when you import an image. All you do is select the image, go to Home, and under Line, you'll see no line. The line is gone. Now go to the Layers tab and Layers Properties, and you'll see CAD Drawing was automatically set as a layer, but we can now lock that by checking the lock box and then clicking OK. Let's create a second AV floor plan page for another image. Right-click the Page tab we want to duplicate. Click Duplicate. Now go to the Layers and Layer Properties and uncheck the lock box of that layer. Click OK. Select the image and delete. Now we have a clean new page. Now let's rename the new page AV Floor Plan Main Level. Go down and you can either double click or right click and set Rename and click Enter. Notice I use the words floor plan in the new page name so we can retain the floor plan page properties in the new page. Now what if we have a PDF file instead of a CAD file? Well, here's what to do. Open the PDF file with Adobe as big as you can get it. Under Edit, select Take a Snapshot. Then create a box around the image and select OK. Go back to your drawing page, right-click and paste. Then you can enlarge it to be more useful and center it. Leave a little room for the legend, which we'll see later. Let's add a new layer and call it PDF. Select Layers, Assign to Layer, and then New and PDF. Click OK. Notice it automatically selects what we just created. Click OK, and let's go back to Layers and Layer Properties, and now we can lock that particular layer so we don't accidentally move it when we drop symbols onto this page.